Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a security update for Microsoft Edge, as we are pretty much in a very secure and private day in our videos. So Microsoft Edge was updated yesterday, late in the afternoon of June 13th, 2022, with some security updates. If you go to your Edge browser, upper right corner, go down to Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge, you should have an update that actually brings you to 102.0.1245.41. It fixes quite a few security flaws, including a couple of critical flaws that could be exploited easily. So that means that you should update Microsoft Edge. Even if you don't use it, I often say it, and a few of you have actually told me that it's true that it happens sometimes. Depending on what you can click in a link, even if your default browser is Chrome or any other browser, it can sometimes happen that you have a link or something that forces Microsoft Edge to open. So to stay safe, even if you don't use it, you should just go and check out to make sure that it's up to date to the latest version for security reasons. And of course, if you use it regularly, it should update itself automatically, actually. I was using it today to post some YouTube videos, and actually I didn't even notice that it already was updated today to that new version. But just to make sure, check it out. It is your first line of defense. I mean, the browser is what you use to go on the web. So, of course, by keeping your browser safe, your computer safe, having all of these updates for security, well, that's one of the majority, it's the big side of the security. It is what keeps you safe much more than an antivirus. Never forget that. Keeping your software safe blocks pretty much most of the security flaws that could be exploited by hackers out there. And so you're already, blocking the possibilities. So it really lowers the risk of getting an infection by a lot. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.